Let's go for a challenging game! Look guys, we have 3 games. Who scores more points, they will win the game. Are you ready? Yes, yes! We are ready! Let's start now! Cool! The game starts from here and finishes there. Let's go for the first game. You pick one. Yay! Jump! Jump, jump! It's a jumping sack! Get, set, go! Ow! Huh? Oh no! Woohoo! I won the game! Yay! 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 Okay, Dolly wins the first game. Now, select your next card. Hey! I'm the winner! Move back. Let me pick it. Oh! Skating! I love it! I'm going to win this too! Okay, let's see. Ready? Steady? Go! Bye-bye, Dolly! Huh? Yay! I won the game! No, I too had a point. Hey, wait! One more game is left. Here is your last card. Huh? Now, what's next? Ta-da! It's a food challenge. Sweet versus spice. Oh, spicy food? I like it. I'm going to eat full. Anyway, I love sweet. It's so yummy. Hmm? Hmm? Huh? Yay! I'm first! Uh-oh. It's a tie? What do I do now? Ow! My stomach! It hurts! Just a minute! What happened to my tooth? Mommy! Ah! Hey guys! Wait! The game is not over! Again? Oh no!
Billion Surprise Toy!
Marshmallow, let's go for a ride. Sit here. I'll ride. Wow! The wheels on the bus Finally! It was a fun day!
Billion surprise toy.
Hey! Don't wait! Come on! Let's have some fun! Marshmallow, are you ready? Don't be scared. It's a fun ride. You will love it. Try it. Go on. Did you like it? Let's try more. Sit here. Look, your favorite balls. Here, enjoy. Oh no! Huh? Marshmallow? Marshmallow? Where are you? Oh, he's missing! Huh? My marshmallow is gone! Don't cry, baby. Let's find him. Yeah, come on. Let's search together. Oh, my marshmallow, where did you go? Ha! There you are! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the park. Oh, I missed you so much.
Billion surprise toy.
Wow! Ouch! Why did you stop? Look at that! A horizontal ladder! Wow! Hey, yeah! I'm a monkey! I'm gonna climb! I'm a monkey, I can hang, I can swing, ha! I'm going down! Huh? Look, a slide! I'm gonna fly high! I can fly, hey ya, ha 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 ha. I'm flying, hey ya, ha 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 ha. I can smell, hey ya, ha 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 ha. This smells good. Achoo! Achoo! Not all of them. My turn! My turn! Come with me! I'm a bunny and I'm gonna hop! I'm a bunny, hoo 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 hoo. I can hop, hoo 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 hoo. I can jump, hoo 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 hoo. Oh, it's a good day! Hey, Johnny! Wake up! Let's have lunch! Huh, okay, let's go! Let's have lunch, hey ya, ha 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 ha. It's so fresh, hey ya, ha 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 ha. It's so yummy, ha 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 ha. Our tummy is full. Yum yum Halloween popcorn. Johnny, look! Now he looks like a Halloween thief. Wow! You look so perfect! Huh? Yay! I'm the Halloween thief! Woohoo! Huh?
Chia, come! Please help me to serve this pumpkin juice.
Yes, Mommy! I'm coming! Wow! Smells so good! Hey, guys! Let's have this yummy popcorn! Hey, wait, little squirrel! We're also coming! The lovely popcorn, we gonna Kids are playing at the beach. They are flying kites so up, enjoying it in a funny way. Happy sunny day. I too wanna play with you. I love watching flying kites. I too had a little kite. Let me play with you. Why not? Come on.
Baby, don't go to the water side. Be careful.
Don't worry, Mommy. I am going to take my kite. Ah, a crab! Mommy, is that gone?
Oh, it's gone, dear. Look there. It went back to the water.
Let me play with my kite now. I won't stop to fly my kite. I can try it in a very good way. I am gonna fly this now, flying my turtle. I am not to give up now. I can fly it well for sure. I am gonna try new ways. Yes, I saw something. This is gonna work. Hey, buddy, it's time to fly up. Come on. Don't come down. Go up, up. You're like a real turtle. Too slow. Hey, baby, it's okay. Let us have a try. Okay. Baby, look! This is how it works. Place your kite against the wind. Then it will go up. Look! It's flying! Yay! Finally! My turtle has gone up! Yay! Yay! Now, take this. Let's fly the kites together. Okay, let's go! Family time at the beach!
Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the beach. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the beach. Dolly, pass the ball to him. Johnny, catch it in a wink. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're playing volleyball.
Oh no! My ball!
Is it good? Hey! What happened, dears?
Look, Mommy! My ball!
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Our daddy picks a ball. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're playing with the ball. Baby kicks the ball so high that fell far on the sea beside. Zoom, zoom, zoom. How we gonna take the ball? Baby, no, no, no! The sea is so dangerous. You should not go there, okay? Hey, look there!
Huh? Wow! Yay! We got the ball! Dolly pretends to be a mermaid. Once there lived a beautiful mermaid in the sea. She protected the sea pearls. The mermaid saves the pearl for her love and went above the sea to give her prince. Aww, the mermaid is so lovely. Huh? What's that? A mermaid? Is she real? Oh, where is she? Oh, I saw a mermaid. Who should I say this to? Oh, there they are. Did you see the mermaid there? The mermaid there, the mermaid there. Did you see the mermaid there? I saw her standing there. We didn't see a mermaid here, the mermaid here, the mermaid here. We didn't see a mermaid here, we have to play this time.
Oh, don't be sad, dear.
Mommy, I really saw the mermaid, but they won't believe me.
Then, let's show them a real mermaid, okay?
Okay.
Let's put on the mermaid dress, the mermaid dress, the mermaid dress. I will make you wear this dress, it looks so good on you. Come and wear the lovely chain, the lovely chain, the lovely chain. It's so bright and good to see that make you look so nice. Shh, not now. Then we do the makeup now, the makeup now, the makeup now. I will add the blush on you to make your cheeks so bright. Let's put on the mermaid crown, the mermaid crown, the mermaid crown. The mermaid looks so perfect now, who's shining like a pearl. Finally, hey my beautiful lady, here's your wand.
Yay, yay! Now I look like a mermaid. Look, Mommy, my wand. It's sparkling. Can we call them now?
Okay, okay, let's call them. Hey babies, come here. You have a surprise. Someone is waiting for you. Here, the little mermaid wants to meet you all. Say hello.
Wow, she's so beautiful. Yeah, like a real mermaid. Let's make some fruit ice cream.
I am a very good ice cream man. I ice cream man, ice cream man. I come to park and ring a bell. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho.
I am a little ice cream man, ice cream man, ice cream man. I help him serve the yummy cones. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Hey, ice cream guys! We want some ice cream! Oh, of course! Which fruit flavor do you want, sir? Yeah! I'm going for kiwi! Huh, I already picked mine! I love to have strawberry ice cream!
I'm gonna blend these fruits in it, fruits in it, fruits in it. I'm gonna pour some milk on it. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. I wanna freeze this yummy pulp, yummy pulp, yummy pulp. Now it's ready for you to taste. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho.
We'll see you next time, guys! Have a nice day! I feel so tired. Let me take some rest. Baby, you take care of the shop, okay? Nobody's coming. Huh? I think I got one. Hey, monkey. Look, I am an ice cream man. Shall I make banana ice cream for you? Yeah, sure. Put the fruit first. And mix it well. Now, fill it in. Finally, let's freeze it. Ta-da! Your banana ice cream is ready. Have it now. Ow! It's yucky! I don't want this! My banana is better than this! Here! Can you make an ice cream with this, please? Of course! I can make it for you! Huh? What was that? Baby? Huh? What happened? I don't know. I think my nut has gone. Don't worry, it's still safe. Kids playing freeze dance.
Everything is set. Honey, shall we go now?
But look at them. They're still playing.
Hey babies, it's already time. Come on, let's go home.
A little more time, please. Mommy, I want to play here. Please, please.
Then let's play a musical game. I'll play a song for you. I say freeze, then you don't move. When I say release, start dancing again, okay?
Wow! We will get ready and come back soon. Here we go play the song. Here we go dance tonight. Here we go play the song. All on a beach day night. Everybody comes your way, dressed up with some shine. You come and have a dance, 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 and move your hands around.
Okay, kids, let's start dancing.
Here we go play the song. Here we go dance tonight. Here we go play the song. All on a beach day night.
Freeze.
he has slept. How do we play now?
Hey, little ones! I have a new game for you. Come, let's go! You need to find the shapes on your card, okay? Show me the pictures.
I got this! Mine is this! Here, this one!
Okay, dears, let's play the game. Go on!
Johnny walks around the beach researching on the shade. He had met a rolling friend who comes out from the sea. The little crab who came up now has started moving legs and danced to his left and right on this lovely beach. Let's make a pic to watch that little lazy friend, to see who's hiding in that stronger nutmeg shell. He saw the little turtle there crawling on the ground. He jumps out loud so happily to find his lovely shape. Mommy! Look! Yay! Yay! I found the shape! Here, this tortoise shell. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. It's a pentagon. Dolly comes up for her turn for searching on the shape. She climbed up over little rocks to see what she could see. The little lovely seashells are shining on the shore. She took that close to ears and heard a soothing song. There she saw a sparkling shell underneath the sea. She then took a coral shell with a shining pearl inside. She smiled so bright to see that pearl shining in the shell. She runs to see her mommy to show what she had found. Mommy! Look! I got it! It has no sides and round in shape. It's a circle.
Wow! You did it well, my dear!
Baby was so sad that he couldn't find his shape. He wanders on the big shore to find his lovely shape. He watches all the little things lying on the shore. Not a crab, not a shark that matched the shape with him. The little wave has touched his legs that make him feel so good. He saw that a pink lady blinking on the sand. He dances so high when watching him crawling on the ground. He started to call his mommy to show what he had found. Yay! Yay! Hey guys! Look! I found it! A star falls from the sky. It looks the same.
Baby, it's not that star in the sky. It's a starfish, okay? See? It has 5 points. It's a cute little star.
Hot versus cold play at beach. Wow! It's so lovely!
Baby walks and reached the shore. He touched the hot sand out there. His legs burned down and he runs back and sat back on his beach mat. Sat back on his beach mat.
Huh? What happened, dear?
Look, Mommy! My legs! It's burned!
The mother came and looked at him, then find a way for his little legs. She took a shoe and make him wear and make him feel so better. Make him feel so better.
Wow! I like it! So cool!
baby. You can play now.
It's done. You can go now.
I'm gonna play in the water. Yay, yay!
Don't go far. Be safe, dear.
Dolly puts on the water tube and jumps down to the water. Her hands tremble and her body shake and run back to the seashore. Run back to the seashore.
Oh, you'll be okay, dear. Let's do a sunbath, okay? Then you'll feel warm.
The sun is shining on the sky and giving them a heat bath. They love it very much and enjoy for a long time. Enjoy for a long time.
Hey, guys. Have some spicy hot dogs and hot burgers. Come, come.
Huh? Chia? Can we have some hot dogs now? Yeah, let's go! Huh? Hey, can you serve us some spicy hot dogs?
They're gonna have the hot dogs now and took the yummy hot dogs. Johnny bites, his mouth feels hot. He starts to feel so hot now. Starts to feel so hot now.
Johnny, no. Don't eat like this. It's hot. Eat calm and slow. Like this.
Chia came and showed him Dad how to eat a hot dog. Johnny saw it, he ate it well and enjoyed it with a good smile. Enjoyed it with a good smile.
Hey, kids. Enjoy your holidays and have fun.
Yeah, sure. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Billion surprise toy.
Wow, it's so cool! Mommy, I want one!
Huh, found it. Come on, baby. Enjoy your ride.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the park.
Huh? Have a safe ride.
Oh! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the park. The road is clear now. Huh? Marshmallow? Move! Move! I need to stop! He's saved. Huh? Uh-oh! My steering! The baby on the bus cry wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The babies on the bus cry wah wah wah, all through the park.
What happened? Huh? Baby?
The mommies on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus say shh, 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 all through the park. Baby, where are you? Come on, I'm looking for you so long. Where is he gone? Huh? You there? Hello? Anybody inside? Yes, I'm here. I'm busy making my toy plane. Hey, Dolly, why are you here? Baby, what are you doing? I'm going to launch my new airplane toy. Wanna see that? It's ready. Look, my toy plane. Wow, it's so nice. Baby, can I play with you? Of course, Dolly. Come, let's fly it. All set. Are you ready? Yes, yes. Ready, steady, go! Look! Wow, it's going up. Go left. Baby, fly this side. Oh no, there's a tree. Uh-oh, where did it go? Oh, it's stuck. Huh? What do we do now? I don't know. Can we get it back? There is a way. Let's shake the tree and make it fall. Baby, push, push. Ha-ha! It's moving. Oh no! Oh, my toy! It's all broken. Baby, wait! Huh? I have an idea! Huh? My toy! It's back? Yes! Come on, let's play! Fly there! A little lower! Oh, it's not working! Uh-oh, it's falling! Again? How can we take it back? Dolly, see! A ladder! I will take it! Uh-oh, it's moving! Dolly, I think I might fall! Don't worry! I will find a way! Baby, look down! I got you a trampoline! Jump! I'm okay. I can jump. Baby, are you okay? Yeah, me and my body is all right.
He ran outside the cage we have. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
Huh? Oh no! He escaped! You naughty thief! Stop!
Saw a little pit out there. Pit out there, pit out there. He's gonna run and hide in it. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. I know how to catch him now. Catch him now, catch him now. I'm gonna get him out of there. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
Hey! Stop! Ha! I got you! Stop there, you little thief! Hey, Squirry! Did you see a rat running this way? Yes, yes! He ran away that side! Oh, thank you for the help, buddy! Hey, Lady Mousy! Did you see a rat thief going around? Yes, yes! I did! I saw him going that way! Oh, thank you so much! Silly guy! How do I find him? Hey, Chia! What are you searching for? I caught a rat thief and put him in my cage. But my jeep hit on a rock and he escaped. Oh, sad. Huh? Look! Those leaves! They're moving! Huh? There he is! He tricked us again! Come, let's catch him together!
We are gonna chase him now, chase him now, chase him now, and run behind to catch him soon. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Johnny has a net and trap, net and trap, net and trap. We're gonna trap him using this. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
We caught him! Oh, Johnny, thank you for the help. Oh, come on. It's okay. Bye-bye. Kids rescue monkey from honeybees. Here is the beehive with bees around the hive. The monkey watching it where nobody sees. There he took the sweet little hive from the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey guys! He stole our honey! Come! Attack! Please don't hurt me! Go away! Oh no! on, Dolly. Let's start the rescue. Uh-oh. So many bees around him. We need to save him fast. Huh! This is gonna work. What is this? We can't reach him. Hey guys, why are you attacking the monkey? Huh? He stole our honey hive from the tree. Huh? Is it? Yeah, but I will make it alright. Please leave me now. I'm so tired. Aww. Guys, monkey will fix your hive. You please go now. Okay, we're leaving. Done. Your wound is covered. Now, go and fix the hive. Listen, honeybees are dangerous. Don't do this again, okay? I'm so sorry, guys. I will not do this again. Here, you can go inside. Let's trap the naughty fox.
Huh? So many rides! I'm gonna have so much fun tonight. Wow! A lot of ball pits! Woohoo!
Our park is all messed up. Where do we play now? I am not going to spare him. Let's call the police now. They will catch him soon. Hello, policeman. It's an emergency. Please come to the park.
The police jeep is on the way. We are on a mission, the rescue mission. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Hey guys! What happened? Look! Somebody messed up the park rides. It's all broken. We need to find the thief out there. I will go search for the footprints. Okay, I'm gonna check the animals out here. Hey, naughty monkey! Are you not done with troubling us? Did you mess up the park? Huh? Me? No. Trust me, I didn't do this. Please don't put this on me. Johnny, I got a strange footprint. It doesn't match the animals on our list. Hey guys! I know who did this! I saw him! He comes at night! He's from that jungle! Oh yeah! We need to catch him soon! Guys, let's make a trap at night, okay? Okay, done!
also going to be fun. What's that smell? Yummy!
Yay! Yay! He's trapped! We got him! Yay! Hey, naughty fox! Why did you mess up the park? You have done a mistake! We're gonna put you in the prison for this!
Huh? Oh, no! Please leave me. I will not do this again. I need to go back. Please.